Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs. I'm back today with a kitchen project for you. This one is so super quick, so super easy, and so super needed, at least in my kitchen. Today we're making a jar opener for all those stubborn jars. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com for plenty more kitchen and non-kitchen sewing and crafting patterns. It's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this pattern with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and a link back to this video tutorial. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started today. I've added a link in the description below this video where you can find it. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need 2 pieces of fabric, a piece of rubber shelf liner, a Teflon sewing machine foot or painter's tape, and an optional magnet. First, place 1 piece of fabric with the right side facing up. Place the rubber shelf liner on top. Place the other piece of fabric with the right side facing down. Pin or clip the stack in place. Stitch around the square using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space open for turning. Clip your corners and turn it right side out and finger press the opening under. If you'd like to add a magnet, before we close it up, insert it through the opening and place it up in the corner, and then stitch diagonally to hold it in place. Using your Teflon sewing machine foot, or by placing painter's tape on the bottom of your existing sewing machine foot, top stitch all the way around 1/8 of an inch from the edges. If you do your stitching with the rubber shelf liner facing up, it'll go much smoother. And just like that, just that fast, you have yourself a jar opener for all those stubborn jars. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one, with digital patterns that you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.